Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character bei. Step by step, I will first write it in regular script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write bei. Quilt. By. To cover. For example, 被动 passive. Learn how to create passive income. Learn how to create passive income. 学会创造被动收入。学会 learn 创造create 被动收入 passive income。 学会创造被动收入。被动收入。Learn how to create passive income. 学会创造被动收入。My casual handwriting on the character bei. Bei, quilt. By, to cover. 被动 passive. Learn how to create passive income. 学会创造被动收入。bei. Please comment any sentence with character bei. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.